This experiment aiming to find out or to study any microorganisms if at all present in a given water sample and also to find the pH of water. So, here we are taking two water samples, one is pond water and second one is normal drinking water or tap water. So, take a smear or one drop of both the water samples on a slide, clean slide, observe under microscope and then prepare the slide with the help of saffron and glycerin with the help of cover slip, make a permanent slide and observe under microscope. Here we are going to see types of microorganisms like blue green algae, desmids, amoeba type of things, let us see. And after that pH also will vary from both the water samples. Pot water will be having pH, neutral pH will be 6.8 to 7, whereas drinking water will be having neutral pH and pond water will be slightly acidic in nature, should be due to presence of microorganisms, because they consume lot of oxygen from the water, making it unfit for aquatic animals and plants also. So, let us do this experiment and find out the pH and whatever microorganisms if at all present in the soil samples. Drinking water must be pure in the sense it should be devoid of any microorganisms and it should be neutral in pH. Whereas sometimes we take or we drink water from a pond or any water bodies, that water may not be pure. So, how to find out the purity of the water in terms of any microorganisms present in it? I have two water samples here. One is this water has been collected from tap water, from the taps, that is drinking water, and one more sample I have, this is collected from nearby some pond which is nearby. So, let us find out the pH of the water sample. I am taking 5 ml of around 4 to 5 ml of pond water in a test tube, and in another test tube I am taking normal drinking water that is being collected from tap water. So, to find out the pH again I am going to add pH indicator 1 drop. This is drinking water or tap water. It has pH around 6 to 7, that is neutral. Then let us see the pH of pond water, assuming that this is being polluted because of microorganisms present in it. I am adding 1 drop of pH indicator to the sample of pond water. Now see the pH, it is around 4, slightly acidic in nature. This is because of microorganisms present in it, they will consume lot of oxygen. So, this water is devoid of oxygen or lesser amount of oxygen, that is the reason why this pond water is having slightly acidic pH. So, this is not suitable for aquatic plants and for us also, and also this water might contain many microorganisms that we are going to prove. We are going to take 1 drop of this pond water and a clean slide and we are going to observe under microscope. If at all any microorganisms are there, let us find out. Students, I am taking 1 drop of polluted water and a clean slide like this, and I am also adding 1 drop of glycerin so that the whatever sample I have taken will not be dried up. And I am observing under microscope, you know this is microscope and how to see, you know it already. This is fine adjustment I am making. This will differ from person to person eyesight. Yeah, I could see many cyanobacteria and red green algae, spirogyra and many brown algae. I could see Edogonium also here, Nasta colonies and red algae is also present here. So, most of them are chlorophyceae or rhodophyceae or pheophyceae algae. I could see some of the zooplanktons also like rotifers, mosquito larvae. There are many microorganisms present in 1 drop of water. Just imagine the purity of that water we are drinking, and this water is not suitable for drinking at all because these organisms they are taking lot of oxygen from the water. So, the water is now having very less oxygen levels. So, dissolved oxygen levels will come down as BOD is going up. So, the purpose of this experiment is now explained like this. That is all.